Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to split a paver with some hand tools. So all you will need for this project is some safety gloves and glasses, a hammer and a chisel, and then whatever you're going to be splitting. Now you'll take a marker or pencil and measure up to the spot you want to cut, and then you're just going to take that pencil or marker and trace across it. Now take your chisel, and then you'll do a light score, probably 1 to 2 times with your hammer, and you don't want to hit it as hard as you can. Just make sure it's a light hit that develops a nice channel. Once you've developed 1 to 2 nice lines of scores, you can move straight to like leveling up the power. So you can hit it a little bit harder one more time, and then go a little harder from that, and then just keep moving up until it cracks where your score is. Once you've hit it a few times, it should split just like this. Now, it may not be the nicest cut, but in the end, it looks pretty good. Now, using this method, you can make quick cuts like this without using power tools. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.